So, now, proof of the pudding, where's the truck? And now I have to look behind myself whether the truck is there. And that would be perfect timing if I could say, that will be the truck which we will see, and it comes.
So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mark. The truck drives so well. It's great. I mean, it doesn't help with the traffic of New York, but still, it's quiet, it's powerful. I had so many heads turned around when I was passing by, and really, I can talk and talk about it, but I urge you to test drive it. It's the best evidence. Don't trust me, just drive it. It's amazing. So,
Can I drive it?
yes. Yes, only carefully. My name is Jekka Glassman. I'm the CEO and president of MFTA. It's a subsidy of FUSO, and I'm responsible for the business of FUSO in North America. We are really thrilled, excited, and very, very proud to be hosting this global launch event here in New York. And this is really more than just a product launch. We believe this is a game changer, which will allow us to offer our cleaner, quieter, more efficient delivery and distribution services to the people who live in big cities such as New York.